Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are stepping up our web skills with meta tags and basic SEO. These tiny tags make a big difference. Section 1. What are meta tags? Meta tags provide information about a web page to browsers and search engines. They live inside the head. I'm going to show you a demo basic structure of meta tags. Now, alright, again, meta tags help search engines understand your page content better. Now, what I mean is, when you go online and search for something now, meta tag will help the search engine to understand what it's looking for. So by the time they search about, let's say you have a website of barbing, then by the time somebody searching about barbing, it will just bring up your home page because there is a meta tag that is talking about barbing in your own website. So it is going to help you, it helps your website optimize, like it helps your website visible. So alright, let me explain this quickly. In your HTML open tag, you have language, English. So this lang means language, then the en means English. You can use any other language. So for this web page, it is English that we are using as the language. The content inside the website is English. Now, number 2, we have meta, then charset. This charset defines the character encoding. Now, then the next one, we have description. Now, writing meta is not that difficult. So you just need to call meta first, then the name of what you are writing. So we have description, meta name, you have description, then the content of the description, a tutorial website to learn HTML. It can be anything. It can be a barbing website, it can be a car selling website. Then the next thing we have here is keywords. Now inside these keywords we have HTML, coding, web development, SEO. Now let's say it is a car selling website. Inside the keyword you might have Toyota, we have like car brand names, we have anything pertaining to cars. So by the time somebody is searching something like that, it will bring up your website. Alright, and thirdly we have author in our meta. Now the author, it's going to be your own name. The name, your own name, or the name of the owner of the website. Yes. Alright, and lastly we have viewport. Viewport is for mobile. It makes your website mobile friendly. So let me write the viewport now so you can see. Alright, so lastly here we have viewport. Now this viewport, as I said earlier, it makes your website mobile friendly, which we have meta name, then we have viewport. Now the content is what? Width. You are setting the width of the device to device width. Alright, that's it for today. Now you know how to make your web pages more professional and visible online. Practice tasks: create a simple HTML file, add meta tags for description, keywords, author, and viewport. Next class we will dive into creating an actual web page project, combining everything we've learned so far. See you then.